Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It is Tuesday, the 7th of March. And this is the charts of the day video. The regular video we normally do. I posted one earlier on today's webinar for working with Harry and day trading with Harry. We're going to start today with BBIO, which came out of a beautiful base yesterday with a huge breakaway pop, but then pulled back. Today had an engulfing reversal day to the upside of 13 million. This is the kind of pop breakaway from a base that usually results in much higher levels. My opinion is we might see mid-20s on it, maybe even mid-30s over the next few weeks and months. Very good looking chart. I may put a swing on it. CHRS, the stock that's done very well for us, and notice the last two times it had reversal days like that and that. Today was a big engulfing reversal at 2 million. I'm just wondering whether you're going to see another follow through. It looks to me like you might see 9 or even 10.5 on this next move if we can get it above initial resistance, which comes in right about 8. So if you see it above 8, it may see as much as 9.25 or even 10.25. DKF on a strong earnings report ripped 128-ish to 147-ish. Finished 146.93 up 14.79. Great day trade at thetechtrader.com today. And take a look at where it closed. The highest we've ever seen on DIX was 146.94, reached back in September 21. Today's high, 146.94. Almost an exact double top. If we can get through here, you may see this thing ramp into the 160s and 70s. EHTH swing trade broke out today and extended, jumping 91 cents or 9.5% on about 1.1 million, but it looks like you're headed towards 12.5. ILT came out of a base a couple of days ago, stalled yesterday, but today followed through. It's just so strong. Now, it may be extended and near the channel top angle, but I think it has more to go, quite frankly, looking like maybe 23.4. MAXN popped late today. Here's the after hours look. And that took it up to the declining top line. At this point, if it gets through, I'd be looking at 24 and 28. Swing trade NEO, perfect pop a week ago, a little bit 2-day consolidation. Now look at it start to ramp up. Today was an engulfing reversal day, 1696 to 1862. It finished just 12 cents off the high, up 99 cents, or 5.6%. Volume was decent at 1.7 million for this stock. Your target's at 21 to 24. Protagonist Therapeutics, Ptgx, huge day. Just exploded out of a flag and went vertical from 1550 to 24. Finished 2370. Powerful move on 24 million shares. Looking at this angle now, it appears the next target might be 27. SE came out of a base today as well with a big pop, jumping from 65 and change to 81.5. Finished 80 even up 14.29. That's a 22% gain. I'm looking for an extension to test the 95 zone above. Snap. Well, we put a swing on it and immediately backed off resistance. Managed to close up just 3 cents, so it wasn't a reversal day per se, but I don't like the way that closed. There's multiple tops now up around today's high near 12 3/4. So we're gonna have to see if it can hold on and back and fill for a day or two and then resume the advance. The target's going to be 16 and 19. Sqsp, look at the breakout of this base today. A 9-month base, explosive pop at 4.2 million. Got all the way up to 29.65, finished 27.86 up, 382, a 16% gain. And as I said, volume was solid. At this point, I would look for this to make a move up towards 35. Thread up, a little low price stock that came all the way down from 30 down to literally under $1, only to reverse, pop, pull back and base. Today was an exciting day for it as it ramped up 167 to 289, backed off to 242, was still up 80 cents or almost 50% in one day today on 50 million shares. To me, a breakout day, and now looking for 3.5, 5.5. VRDN, one of our top 20 picks for the year, broke out of a 6-week coil, popping $1.75 or 5.4%. If we get any follow through, I'd be looking for a retest of 39.40 and then maybe 45.47 zone. Weight Watchers with a huge day today. Exploded from 416 to 720, backed off to 671, still up 284 or 73% on a mere 84 million shares. Massive breakout day indeed. I'd be looking out for a move up towards 8.25 and eventually perhaps something up around the 10.5 area. But for now, let's see where it goes and if there's a follow through. And finally, ZYME, one of my top 20 picks for the year, which had a difficult last 6 weeks, held the trend line and had big engulfing reversal day today as it went from 756 to 867 and finished at 860, up 65 cents, an 8% gain, 600,000 share traded. Not a lot, but it's right at the breakout point, and it might start to see upside at 10, 11, and possibly 12.75. That's a look at some of the hot stocks at techtrader.com. Good night, everybody.